Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to talk about the clash between Elon Musk and Chat GPT. Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur, has been vocal about these concerns about AI, while Chat GPT, the latest language model developed by OpenAI, represents the cutting edge of AI technology. In this video, we will be discussing the clash between those two figures and what it might mean for the future of AI. Elon Musk has long been vocal about this concern over AI, suggesting that it represents a significant threat to humanity. He has warned that AI could lead to the creation of autonomous weapons and that it could ultimately become smarter than humans, leading to an existential threat to our species. Chat's development. On the other hand, ChatGPT represents the cutting edge of AI technology. It is the largest and the most sophisticated language model developed to date, capable of processing language in a way that was previously impossible. The developers behind ChatGPT has suggested that it could be used for a wide range of applications, from improving language translation to developing more sophisticated chatbots. The clash. So what happens when these two figures clash? On the one hand, you have Elon Musk, who is deeply concerned about the potential dangers of AI. On the other hand, you have ChatGPT, which represents the pinnacle of AI development. It is clear that these two perspectives are fundamentally at odds with one another. The future. Looking to the future, it is hard to predict exactly how this clash will play out. Elon Musk has suggested that AI regulation is necessary to prevent the worst case scenario from occurring, while the developers behind ChatGPT argue that AI has the potential to bring about significant benefits to humanity. Ultimately, it's up to us as a society to determine how we want to move forward with AI development and whether we are willing to accept these risks that come with it. Conclusion. In conclusion, the clash between Elon Musk and ChatGPT highlighting the fundamental tensions and play when it comes to AI development. While ChatGPT represents an exciting development in the field of AI, it is important to consider the potential risks and drawbacks that come with it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.